to our breakfast this morning. So we're growing our own food and harvesting our own food and getting breakfast from it. Right. So we're very grateful to Rada for this backyard kit. Let me open it and see what the contents is looking like. What's in a bag? Alright, so this is a lot of lettuce. Hi guys, so we have some news. We're gonna unbox something that we got a package. We did apply for this backyard garden kits sometime last year. We're just receiving it now, so we're going to unbox it together. Now this is from RADA, and what is RADA for you international viewers? It means Rural Agricultural Development Authority, and that agency helps farmers, to give them some tips and tricks to aid them in their farming, and it also helps with backyard farming if you want to start up a backyard. Hence, this project was a backyard kit. Now we got ours today. I'm just gonna pull to see what are the contents that are inside the package. Okay, so we have, this looks so lovely, very sturdy. It's a fork. Alright, let me use my scissors, I don't want to tear anything. Okay, it's all taped up and stuff. Alright, so we have some seeds. We have some California Wonder Pepper, sweet pepper seeds. These are looking lovely. These are ones that we planted out and are giving us very massive production in the garden. So these are lovely. Nancy F1. Not sure if I'm familiar with this brand. And we do have some lettuce seeds as well. Okay. I'm not sure. I'm looking for the name of the lettuce. This is the name. I'm not sure. Or Eden. Okay, Eden. That's the name. Looks like iceberg lettuce. Let me open it and see what the contents is looking like. What's in a bag? Alright, so this is a lot of lettuce. So we're planting out these, not now because it's way too hot. So we'll plant out these lettuces sometime in October, so we can get a lot of lettuce to eat in November, December. Alright, so this is not, I don't think this is organic. 2020. We really don't use these type of fertilizer. Let me see, balance levels of NPK in a dry soluble formulation. Okay. Enhances growth of crops, lawns, and turf. All right. Let's put that aside. So we have our fork, we have our mini shovel. Okay, looking good. And we do have gloves as well in the mix. Right, these are looking well. These are looking lovely. And what else do we have? We have Easy Grow Garden Soil. Okay, so this is a garden soil. I guess we can use it in this container to start our seeds. Right, so the seeds that they gave us, we can use this to start our seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 by 8. So 128 cells we're looking at. Alright, so we'll work with this. That means it's kind of a bit smudged. Alright, so we're very grateful. As I said, we saw this advertisement last year, I think. Not last year, it was the year before in 2024 on Instagram, I think. Was it Instagram? Right, and we did apply, and they sent us an email last week saying that we were successful, and they sent an email twice saying, come and pick up your package, it's ready. So we have our package. All right, so we're very grateful to Rada for this backyard kit. Alright, so what we're going to do next now, I'm going to take this pepper off and prune it a bit so we can have some new growth. These are a bit on the smaller side, so we need to prune them. Well, prune this plant. I think we have more plants to prune as well. Or prune it already, I'm not sure, but I'm going to just prune off the stink bugs. Look at the stink bugs. They're terrible. So we're going to prune. Just cut it way back. Give it a good prune so it can come back in its glory. Because we got a lot of fruits from this plant. Right. In the week, we're going to fertilize. Well, probably top dress it or give it some banana tea. So in the week, we'll do that. Right, so, and some buds are coming on right here. Look at the buds right there. Alright, so we'll wait for this to grow some more with its new leaves and more fruit production. So nothing is wrong in pruning your plants. They do come back. And you can have them for about 1 or 2 years. We're gonna get 2 figs from here. So how do we know that they are ripe and they're ready? They change color. So that's the green color. They're not ready. When they change to a bit of yellowish color, it's ready. So that one came out very easily. Let me see this one. Yes, this one is ready. So we have 3. Hi everyone, welcome back to Blessings from the Garden. My name is Saroya, and I just got a hand of bananas to cook for our breakfast this morning. So we're growing our own food and harvesting our own food and getting breakfast from it. So you can do this too. It's quite a good feeling to be able to harvest from what you have grown. And we don't grow this by ourselves, but with the aid of God, we're able to do this. So you can do it too. Just start that garden, okay? Now we're going to have some breakfast. Alright guys, so what I'm doing is preparing the soil for the yellow yam that I was gifted. A nice piece of yellow yam. So just digging up the base first. I have some kitchen scraps here, eggshells, banana peels, the works. Okay, try to get all this dirt in, and then we add some more to it, of course. Let me see. What I just added was some peat moss. Not peat moss. Let me get perlite. Bring that here. Perlite for better drainage. I just added some more dirt that was revamped with horse manure. Yeah, horse manure, I think. Some people say dirt, some people say soil. Whatever you want to say. And I'm just gonna add a bit of vermicompost, and that's about it. This is the yellow yam that I'm gonna plant in the container. It has a lot of growth on it. So what I did was to turn it a bit sideways. I'm just gonna just cover. And that's about it. So I'm gonna see if I can get something to mulch this with. Let me see if I can find anything to mulch. Alright, this is just a temporary thing for now until I do the right release for it. But for the time being, this will have to work until I do the right release for it. Alright, so this piece, so this was a yam seed that went straight down in the container and it was growing. So we can just plant this one back. This is a long yam seed. Okay, I think I just split it. As I said, I didn't want to break it. Look what happened. It broke off. Look at the amount of yams we're getting out of this container. Alright, so I'm going to gather the pieces all together and show you the end result. I can just only manage 2 pieces at a time. These are quite heavy and can provide some workout, but that was a pretty workout, good workout. Alright, so this is what you can obtain from growing your own food in your own backyard space. Doesn't matter how small it is. First content was a bit disappointing, but as you can see, God provided a makeup by putting the yam seeds in the container and those grew. Alright, so look at the amount of yams that we get in today's harvest, March 4, 2026. I'm tired. Tiring. Alright, so this is St. Vincent yam. So we're gonna enjoy our harvest, and then we have some seeds to save. So we'll see you in the next one. Do start that garden one content at a time, and we will see you in the next one. Bye bye for now. Take care.